Oh, sorry. The Honda Beat. Yeah, super excited to drive this one because although at the moment of filming this video we haven't released the other one because I already drove a Beat, but this one has I think a few mods. We have an S2R tires, the other one I don't remember what it had, but more importantly we now have a fixed speedometer camera with the roof. I just hit my head on the roof, so yeah, that was a bit ow, because the car is pretty small. Yeah, it's very sharp. Yeah, anyway, Honda Beat, one of the K cars. The engine is in the back that we can see in the bit, that produces a whopping
63 horsepower.
Yes, look at that, somewhere over there, and of course all the necessary EU/German regulations of having the safety vest and this. Do you have your alcohol tester in case you go to France? No. Did you know that you need to have an alcohol tester in the car? Because you know, if you go to France and you drink too much wine or champagne, then you are the one who needs to prove that you haven't drunk it. Usually the police does it in other countries. Anyway, we're getting sidetracked. That's the perfect effect of ADHD. We have spare tire, spare wheel. Brakes seem to be all good, up in order. What's the weight of this? It was like also like 700.
750.
Yeah, 750. Yep. So it's like 1 on 10, then plus of course 2 passengers, 2 people, so it's going to be around 900-ish. But it's about the fun. NS2R tires should be good enough for all this amount of power and weight. Brake pads.
Stock brakes.
Stock brakes. Pads also stock-ish.
Yeah, they don't really sell performance pads as far as I'm aware. If anyone in the comments knows, then please.
That would be nice. That would be nice. Yeah, so we're gonna have fun. We're gonna see how often we're gonna get overtaken by the rear cam. So it should be nice. Should be nice. So let's go. Let's go. Yay! All right, let's unleash the 63 horsepower. Come on, boy. Okay, well, maybe not then. Let's do it. Alrighty, I think I'm comfortable. Sort of.
Yeah, the leg room is the biggest problem.
Alright, flat out.
To 9K we go!
Let's see how often we're gonna get overtaken today.
It's gonna be a line.
Alright.
Oh yeah, no ABS.
Yeah, thank you.
No power steering, no ABS, all analog.
Feels like I'm driving a Dacia again with 24-hour race. Looking more in the mirrors than ahead of me.
the engine, so no, preferably not. But you can do nicely heel and toe with it. It's quite a fun.
Yeah, the pedals are really close together.
Yeah. La la la.
Are the brakes?
Good.
I like the firm pedal feel of it, even though it's a small car.
Yeah.
It's meant to be a bit soft.
Oh, no yellow Nürburgring.
Let's go!
Off we go. We gotta overtake Sam, maybe. Come back! No!
Yeah, that's it. Let's go!
Yes! Oh no.
More yellow.
Yeah, sad. La 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 la.
Well, you can see the core speed is pretty good.
Yeah. I mean, it's the same car, but
I mean this one.
yeah.
Let's go, another one.
On the limit. Come on.
Oh, she's screaming.
Yeah. Now everyone gonna be passing us on the uphill section.
Yeah.
Sad.
But at least we can listen to the nice ITB intake sound.
Ah, yes. Come on.
Come on. Yeah, we're gonna get one.
No downshift. Come.
Woo, let's go, another one. That's three.
Should I upshift? I have to. No. And there's the yellow. Oh, we're saved. Flat out in the yellow. Oh no.
Oh. Oof. That's the
End of the suspension travel.
yeah. Oh man.
It's quite soft. Running out of gears.
Yeah. Insane. Super cool.
It's not even overheating in the least. It's
Yeah.
dead center.
No, insane, amazing. I loved it. Yeah, this was so much more fun with this time driving because, well, the tires are definitely better. Suspension is still like wobbly, but it's whatever.
Suspension.
Yes, but the best part is we had no traffic because last time it was an empty lap and it was super boring. Now you at least like there's some action happening. And
It's work for it.
it's super cool. Really enjoyed it. So yeah, so thanks a lot. Good fun. Very
Thank you
cool.
very much.
Hope you enjoyed.
I enjoyed a lot. I mean, we can do another one if you want.
No, I need to have other cars to
Yeah,
drive.
other cars.
Yeah, so. Oh,
On
very
our Honda to waiting.
Yes. We love a Honda.